So if you're watching this video, I'm going to show you exactly what is the niche that is bringing in thousands of dollars per day for newbie affiliates. So if you're watching this video, right, maybe you have heard about weight loss space, health space, right, in these niches, and all the clickbank gurus are selling this in the courses. Go promote weight loss supplements, right? And that's why there is big competition, right? People competing with each other, right? Who can outspend someone on Facebook or Google ads, right? And in this case, I'm going to show you exactly what I did and how you can replicate the same thing, the same method, so that you can have great results as an affiliate, as someone who wants to make money online working from home. As you can see over here, I'm going to talk about the hair loss transplant niche. So this is huge niche. Don't have to believe me, just go to Google. I don't have time to explain to you why this is huge niche, but just go to the Google and type in hair loss niche. You're going to see how much money it's turned around every single day and every single year, millions and billions of dollars in only this space. Now, you don't have to dominate keto, you don't have to go to, I don't know, hormonal imbalance stuff, right? All these are sub-niches in the health space. Now, gurus are always telling you go to weight loss supplements because it's easy for them, right? But if you want to make serious money, and if you want to avoid this stressful, depressed competition, what you can do is go into the sub-niche. It's so simple and easy, but most people just overlook that, right? They all think health space, it's all about weight loss and fitness or keto diet, which is not. There is diabetes, there is, like I said, hormonal imbalance, you have hair loss, right, which is beauty, you have implants as well. Those are all beauty and wellness space, right? It's huge niche, especially hair loss, like I mentioned before, because there is huge emotional pain connected, and you are actually providing, as you will see later, people with a real life service. It's not a digital product, it's a real service, right? Surgery, and you are getting paid for it. This is the beauty of this system. And let me show you another slide over here, because I want to show exactly how it's done. As you can see over here, you can see one of the hair transplant campaigns, right? So this offer works for specific geos, right? Specific countries, not all the world, because there are different, let's say, surgery locations, but doesn't matter where you are living as an affiliate. I'm just saying about from the standpoint of which country you're going to target, right? For example, I will target Turkey, right? Turkey is big, #1 in the hair loss space. So there are lots of surgeries going on over there, right? Germany, so different locations, right? In Europe, it's huge niche. I would recommend you to start with 5 different ad images, right? And 2 different headlines for testing. In this case, I'm using native ads, right? Native, it works really well. You can use images, you can use headlines, right? And it works really, really amazing, so that you can find your winning ads as soon as possible. As you can see here, I had the offer here. I hid the offer, right? For privacy purposes. You can see I'm targeting different countries over here. One of them is Austria, it's Czech Republic, Italy, right? So all the European countries mostly. So I prepared everything over here. So the next thing is huge payouts, right? For this kind of offer, you can earn up to $250 or $500 per sale, per commission, per lead, right? So you're basically getting paid huge commission. Now just imagine, if you just make 1 sale per day, you're making $250 per day, which is, if my math is right, over $7,000 per month. Now you can do even better, but just let's be real here. Let's say just at least minimum lazy way of 1 sale per day. You're making over 7,000 US per month, or 10,000 per month with 2 sales, right? So it's really great and really impressive, because conversion rates are really, really high, right? So you can see over here how to optimize and scale profitable campaigns. Now I would recommend to you, right, like I said before, start with 5 different ad images and 2 different headlines, right, for testing. And I would say this: after spending $100 on ads on your campaign, you should have enough data to get started, right? It will show enough how this ad is profitable, how this image works well, and you can make huge commissions as an affiliate, right? So you spend $100, and let's say in worst case scenario you make only 1 sale, you're still making $150 plus in profit, right? So if you have 2 sales, you're making $500. So you spend $100 to make $500. You're making $400 per day profit on the $100 per day ad spend. So it can work really well. As I said before, there is no competition, it's not a ClickBank, and most people, most gurus on ClickBank are just sharing the weight loss space, right? But they're not going into hair loss space, which is another huge sub niche in the health and beauty space, right? And as I said before, important thing, if you're a newbie affiliate, remember this: you have to promote offer where people are already willingly spending money hand over fist. Do some research, right? Take out your phone and type in. Let me show you now. Let me do a live example so you can see how much money and how much emotional pain there is in the hair loss niche, right? So let me type in Google hair loss niche, and you will see the business insiders of hair loss clinics, right? So for example, look, how to find a niche with hair loss clients. Now you see it's a huge niche for also people who are looking for the hair transplant, and also for the surgeons who are looking for the clients. So it's really beneficial to you as an affiliate. You're just a connector, right? You're connecting people with a great service, and you are getting huge commissions as an affiliate, right? So I just wanted to show you how big this niche is, and you can do it for yourself, right? You can just go on Google and type in hair loss space, hair loss niche, how much money is being turned around, so you will be able to see that it's truly amazing space if you want to make money online, especially as an affiliate, right? So I would recommend to you as a newbie to focus on click-through rate first, and then increasing the bids on the placements that are bringing good results and increasing the bad ones. So I'm showing this to my students and clients all the time, step by step, how to do this properly, right? If you're serious and watching this video, and if you want to get this $100 to $1,000 per day results, then you can later just click the link below this video and reach out to me on social media or by email, and also watch the rest of my videos on YouTube channel. So you see, the hair treatment niche, it's extremely hot and lucrative on native traffic right now. So native works really well for this kind of niche. So if you want to get results with this space, if you want to get results with affiliate marketing, right? So after watching this video, just contact me one-on-one, click the link below, and you're going to get my free VIP bonus, which is formula, plus how to build your own email list and start promoting affiliate products, right? So you don't have to deal with all the accounts shutdowns, right? And have something sustainable over time that will bring you great results every single day, month, and year, right? So this is the most important thing. So as you're watching this video right now, you can send me the email, shoot me the email, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips, so you can turn around and get started now as an affiliate and have great results.